Hello, all my foodie friends. Welcome to Shail's Kitchen, home of good food and good memories. Today we're going to make something that I've been wanting to make for a very long time. So stick with me and see what it is. Now our oysters are all shucked, and you could definitely eat them like this if you want. You could put your favorite cocktail sauce on there, some horseradish, some hot pepper sauce, a little lime juice maybe. But I'm going to be doing something a little different today. So we got a couple more steps to go. The next step is to make my sauce for my oysters, and I'm going to be using this Bloody Mary mix, which is really delicious. And I think I'm gonna start off, I think maybe we'll use half a cup. To the Bloody Mary mix, I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of ground horseradish. Another thing I'm going to be using is my hot pepper sauce that I made the other day. For you guys that watched the video, this has a lot of great stuff in it. It's got garlic, it's got shadow benny, it's got the Caribbean hot peppers, the red ones that have this really nice flavor. So we're going to use this to flavor our sauce as well. I think I'll start with a tablespoon and then I'll taste it and see how it's going. We want to blend all of these flavors together really well, and then I'm going to taste it. That is lovely. I have a wedge of lemon here, so I'm just going to add a squeeze of lemon juice. I think that's going to give it a nice bright flavor too. And it's going to complement the oysters. Now here's an optional ingredient for you. Now you don't have to use this if you don't want to put any alcohol in it, but it does add another level of flavor to your sauce. So I'm going to add just a tablespoon. You don't want to add too much. Just a tablespoon of this delicious Royal Oak Select Trinidad rum. Is going to be another flavor to our sauce. Only the best. I just added a tablespoon of the rum and I tasted it as well. And it has just a little hint of that rum flavor. Not overpowering, just something, you know, that little hint of flavor that is so nice. One last thing before I forget, I'm also going to add that nice oyster liquor from the oysters. I'm going to add that to the mix of the sauce. Even if it's a little bit, nice oyster flavor. I got my cute little rooster pitcher here that I poured my sauce in. So now it's time to assemble our oyster shooters. And the first thing I'm going to do is just to pour some sauce in the bottom of these nice little shooter glasses. And now it's time to add our oysters to the glasses. Now that the oysters are in the glasses, I'm just going to top it off with some additional sauce. little garnish with some Trinidad celery from the garden, and our oyster shooters are ready. Just in case you were wondering, it's delicious. I hope you enjoyed today's episode, and I look forward to seeing you next time on Shail's Kitchen, home of good food and good memories.